Okay, so this is first tutorial on using Autocad, and this is going to be real basic, starting up Autocad and getting you started with creating just basic stuff like lines and boxes, and then copying and moving and things like that, just to get you started. My hope is that once we get things started and I show you a few things, that you'll be able to embellish your drawings from there on. So the first thing I'm going to do is, so it's hard to say where you find yourself on your PC, but you should at least maybe have this icon, or if you're in this view, this is Windows 10 operating system. I have it located right here, or if you go to list view and we go to Autodesk, Autocad 2018 English, we can start it from a variety of spots. So we'll let that start. The other thing that I want you to do is somewhere go to Brightspace under National Electric Code and your National Electric Code class, and under Project you should have a title block. Grab that file. It should be a DWG file. Grab that file and place it somewhere that you have access to it in your file directory. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've already accessed it here and add it here. You may have to go to your open file, click on AutoCAD, go to open, and then also I hit Control-O a lot to bring up the open file, and so you can see here I've got it located in the directory on my hard drive. So I'm going to open that title block. And so this is to give you a good start. You'll notice here a couple of things. I like these tabs, these new tabs. If you've been working on drawings, you can go get those. Get that your various drawings you've been working on. We're just going to work on the title block right now. And I see it's coming up in Layout, Model and Layout tab. If that is not highlighted on your AutoCAD file, it's one of these buttons down here. So let's just start by drawing a line. I go up here and click line, and I draw 1 and 2 points. If I hit escape, it takes me away from the line. I can also type in line in the command and then grab a point and click the other point, and I can continue on making a bunch of lines. If you notice my selection tool, I hit my left. If I hit my left click button and drag to the left, it gives me that dotted line, and it highlights whatever those lines touch. If I want to just select what's inside my box, I left click and drag to the right, and you'll see I get a solid line. And then I only select what's inside the box. So if I put a couple of lines on here, and again I'm hitting the line button and just selecting again, just drag what it intersects, I get everything. Notice I just get that one line, just the one line. If I do that, only the one line is inside my box. There both the lines are, and then all three of the lines are. And I can hit delete and they go away. Control Z and it comes back. Within AutoCAD, if I want to move something, what I do, I can also just click on that object and I hit M. Notice the M pops up for move, and hit enter. And now I can move it to wherever I want to. Wherever it grabs is called O-snap. So if I type in O-snap and hit enter, this drafting settings dialog comes up, and I just usually select all and hit OK, and make sure that your object snap is on. It's also one of these buttons down here. So anyway, there's some lines. I want to draw a box, and I use boxes in which I can make a variety of things. And you should notice here that that object snap is working I hit box, the little green triangles, the middle of the side of that box. Green boxes is the side of it. Those snap I find to be extremely handy. So I'll just make a couple of boxes. And again, if I'm going to move it, I select the hit down another, and I can move it. If I only want to move vertical and horizontal, I hit the F8 button. It allows me just to move it vertically or directly horizontal. And I use these. It's kind of nice when I'm making things. So trying to make things look neat. You'll also notice I've included a couple of sample text box here, and this probably should say sample, and a sample detail. These are two separate text box that you can copy and paste and change. You have Windows buttons too, like Control-C, work, Control-Z to undo. I use Control-C, Control-V, locked. I hit Control-C and paste. What's nice about the move and copy commands is if I select that box, I want to copy and I type CO, and I hit enter. Now it wants me to select that box somewhere, so I can select it there, I can select it in the middle, wherever I want, and then I can also then attach that same background text, which we don't want about that. Okay.